Today I'm going to review pebeo paints. These are multimedia paints that are used to make patterns. As you see here, I'm just putting them randomly on a sheet of plastic. Slowly they're all starting to show some pattern, but not that much yet. Now let's see what happened to the paints. They look really pretty with all the bubbles coming up. The paint's kind of shifting, but it's really pretty. These paints take a long time to dry out, so this is just a fast motion. Make it a little bit faster to see the changes. Here are some colorful images of the patterns that were created. If you want to see the colors separately, here they are. Red, green, purple, black, gold, and white. And now these are just some random shots and reverse videos that we took just for some extra fun. I think the paints work very well, just that sometimes the colors might seem too dark. Overall, I'd still rate them about 8 out of 10 for multimedia paints. Thank you everyone for watching our videos, and please like, subscribe and comment if you want me to make more of these kind of review videos for paints.